You're hungry?
Yeah.
Okay. I've got everything here to make amazing sandwiches. Oh yes, I've got mayo, I've got sweet potatoes, chili peppers, a lot of good stuff, okay? So for this game, no matter what, you're gonna need 4 teams, okay? So you need a minimum of 4 kids, or if you have 40 kids, 4 teams of 10 kids. You do the math. But team number 1, team number 2, team number 3, and team number 4. Right on your own. Sorry, Rachel, sorry. You will have to separate the kids.
My friend.
I will give you 9 ingredients, and you will have to make sandwiches with these 9 ingredients, okay? Let's hand out the cards. Okay, everyone, check that you have 9 cards. So Rachel, you have 9 ingredients. You will have to make 3 sandwiches with these 9 ingredients. So you're gonna have to make a sandwich for Camille, for Amélie, and for Noémie, okay? With each 3 ingredients. Now, you can make really good sandwiches depending on what you have. For example, I could do, bacon, bell peppers, maybe chicken, or if you're out of good ingredients, chocolate. So
That's a good ingredient.
but bacon, bell peppers, and chocolate in a sandwich, not really good. So anyway, make sandwiches for everyone, and we'll judge them after. Okay? So everyone, go. Camille, this sandwich, who is it for?
This sandwich is for Rachel. This sandwich is for Noémie. And this sandwich is for Amélie.
Okay, Amélie, you distribute the sandwiches.
Okay, this sandwich is for Rachel. This sandwich is for Noémie. And this
Camille,
sandwich is for
this sandwich is for Camille. Okay. Mimi?
This sandwich is for Rachel. This sandwich is for Camille. And this sandwich is for Amélie.
Rachel?
This sandwich is for Noémie. This sandwich is for Emily. And this sandwich is for Camille.
Okay. So now, each team look at the sandwiches you were given, and you need to decide which one is your favorite, which sandwich is number 1, it's really good, which sandwich is number 2, and which sandwich is, oh my god, mussels and onions and chocolate, that's number 3, okay? So decide, everyone, decide, put them in order. Okay, Camille has seen the sandwiches that were made for her. Now she has decided. Which one is your favorite sandwich?
My sandwich number 1 is this sandwich.
Oh.
The ingredients are olives,
Olives,
cucumber, and carrots.
Okay, so like a vegan sandwich. Okay, interesting. Okay.
And there is sausages, cheese,
Okay.
and eggplant.
Okay, not bad.
And sandwich number 3 is this one. There's pineapple, corn, and chili peppers.
Okay, not too bad, but that's number 3. So, what happens is, who made this sandwich? Who made sandwich number 1? You say, I made this sandwich.
Okay, I made this sandwich.
That's 3 points for this team. Nice. Who made this sandwich?
I made this sandwich.
That's 1 point for you. And who made this sandwich?
I made this sandwich.
0 points. Okay, so you end up with really strange sandwiches, and sometimes a bad sandwich is actually a good sandwich for someone. So you don't know. But you continue like this, and remember the sentences are my favorite sandwich number 1 is this sandwich number 2. The ingredients are I made this sandwich, etc., etc. Okay, elicit a lot of sentences. The goal is not to concentrate only on vocabulary. The goal is to say sentences and have fun playing with the food for once. Thanks everybody. Have fun with this game. Bye.
Bye.